My name is Usais P. Santos and my video partner is Maylin Joy Ularte. And my topic is executive increase in electronic demand or bill due to expand to heal and weather. To audience, to also homeowners, rentals, and also poor people to manage their bills or unities. Because why the purpose of the topic of increase of electronics? Purpose to also raise awareness about the impact of the instant of heal of electronic to consume of the bill and to provide the tips of the electives and people to how manage and reduce an electronics use during of super hot awareness. Um, maging out to aware the people to manage the electricity and to manage the during that so hot na awareness. The language resident the increase in electronics bills sound had to be constant because those are for people who have no other source of money. Um, Poor people have no other source of money because electronics bill is so um, electronics bill is so expanded to pay this.
Main idea 1. Understanding the efficient of excessive heat on electricity demand and bills. So the excessive heat can significantly increase electricity demand and bills by prompting higher usage of cooling system and appliances, leading to a surge in energy consumption and costs for consumers. Supporting idea 1. Sub-supporting idea 1, the connection between heat and electricity use. Sub-supporting idea 2, the impact of heat on the efficiency of electrical appliances and system. To the connection between heat and electricity use rooted in the need for air conditioning and refrigeration to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, especially in regions experience extreme heat waves. As a temperature rise, the reliance on electrical appliances for cooling purpose and intensifies. Overall electricity consumption levels in households and businesses. So the impact of heat on the efficiency of electrical appliances and system is profound, as high temperature can reduce the effectiveness of cooling units and increase the energy required to maintain desired comfort levels. The decreased efficiency leads to higher energy consumption, lower appliances performance, and ultimately elevate electricity bills for consumers. Idea 2, the implication for homeowners, renters, and especially the economically poor. The application of excessive heat on homeowners, renters, and economically disadvantaged individuals are significant, as they may face challenge in affording increased electricity costs associated with heightened usage during hot weather. Low-income households, in particular, may struggle to cope with rising energy bills, potentially leading to the financial strain and difficulties in maintaining essential cooling service for heat and to comfort.